wasn't saying he was going through my shirt.
Perfect. Take the card, watch. And just like that, the card goes through the glass.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 3 magic tricks with a single playing card.
Well, card tricks, coins, sleight of hand.
So hit the thumbs up button on the video and let's go. Really cool card trick to show you with one single card here. So check this out. If you would hold the card, check it out. It's a normal card, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Hold your shirt out like this because I'm going to see if we can do a trick with the card and your shirt. Yeah, perfect. Just like that.
Okay.
So I'm going to take the card like this.
Don't mind my headphones.
So check it out. I have the card right here. I'm going to take it underneath your shirt and I'm going to pinch it right here, okay? Okay. Yeah, so watch. If I just grab like this, look. The card goes right through your shirt.
What? Do it again. I'm going to see that. And you did, like, I thought you were my shirt. That was insane.
All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick, it's extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. So all you need for this is one single playing card, and it's all about how you hold it. You're going to utilize the technique called the back palm. That is holding the card right behind your hand just like this, so that's hidden from the audience's view. So you're gonna hold it like this, pinch the card right here at the corners with both of these fingers, and then open your hand up. That's gonna happen right underneath their shirt. When you go underneath with the card, you're going to just flip it into a back palm like this, so that when you come out from behind the shirt, it looks like your hand is completely empty. You're combining that with pinching right here to make it look like you're holding the card inside the shirt. Then come up just like this. You're going to tuck the back palm card right underneath that fold of the shirt and have that fabric hide the card. So now you can create this illusion of just pulling the card right through the fabric of the shirt. Super easy DIY card trick that anyone can do. Try it out at home. I have a single playing card here, and I also have a glass window on my cabinet. You can see it's a solid glass pane. I'm going to take the card, watch. Just like that, the card goes through the glass. You can see it is really on the other side of the window. And I'll teach you how it's done right now. This is an Evan Era original. I invented this trick years ago and I'm sharing it with you for the first time today. This is what you're going to build to make your card through the window gimmick. So this is a little cardboard card launcher. It's a cardapult. You take a card, sit it here, say this piece of cardboard represents the window. Set the card on the cardapult and it sticks it to the window just like that. Making this at home is really easy. It's just a piece of cardboard that I've colored in black with a marker. I put a couple slits at the top here and a couple slits at the bottom here and just took a rubber band and put it right through here like this, and that's what's going to provide tension for the cardapult. You're also going to need a piece of fishing line. This is how we deploy it. Tie the fishing line around the cardapult. You're also going to need 2 duplicate cards in order to do this trick. That is 1 card on the outside and 1 card on the inside. This is the card launched from your cardapult that is sticking to the glass on the inside, and this card held on the outside. You're actually going to palm it when you put it up to the window. So you're holding it like this, lock it into a palm position just like this. Now the card is concealed behind your hand. At that same moment, you're going to have your assistant pull the fishing line, or you can do it yourself using your foot. The fishing line deploys the cardapult. Now you want to make sure you set this up inside a cabinet sitting on a shelf right behind a pane of glass. It needs to be right on the edge, and you need to use something like a DVD or a book to hold the back corner just ever so slightly. Carefully close up the cabinet and run the fishing string right out of the middle. And then you're going to bring that down to the bottom just like this. Now when you pull the fishing string, it will deploy the card onto the window just like that. Combine that with the palming of this card, and then all you have to do is move your hands down and it looks like the card has magically penetrated the pane of glass. Another trick with a single playing card, the 2 of spades here. So check this out. I'm going to take the card and fold it in half just like this, and now I'm going to begin to crease and tear the card right along this edge. See?
He's tearing cards.
You can see?
Yeah.
Do me a favor, tear that piece off right
the
there.
final one.
Yep. Perfect. Okay. So you have that
just
piece.
flip cards.
I have this piece. Okay, so check this out. I'm going to take the 2 pieces of the card like this.
Okay.
Here, switch me. You hold your fingers like this, like pinch, just like that. Hold this piece, just like this. I'm going to take this piece here. Watch. You have this half, I have this half. So look, I'm going to take the half like this. I'm going to put it here. It goes in this hand and look.
Nothing happens.
Look. Open this up. And the card is magically just like that. See?
That's, yeah, it's... I tore it.
Right?
That was amazing.
You're going to need 2 duplicate cards to set this up. That is 2 cards that are exactly the same. And I actually invented this trick. This is called paradox. I invented this trick probably like 15 years ago now. Fold each one of the cards in half. Next, you're going to take an X-Acto knife and run it right down the seam on the front face of one of the cards. Right along that crease. Just like that. And don't cut it all the way through. Now you do the exact same thing on the back of the other card. Right down the crease. But don't cut all the way through. Now your next step is to carefully remove the front couple layers of playing card from half of this. So you want to pick at this corner right here on the fold, and that front face of the card will start coming up just like that, and you just want to continue peeling that off. So once you've removed this front face, you can throw this part away. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on half of the back of this card. Now that you remove this back half, you can throw this away as you won't need it. Now your next step is to take some glue and to join these together on this face and this face right here, so they come together just like this and create this extra flap of card right here. Now this is the completed paradox gimmick. It is a normal playing card that has this extra flap built into it just like this. You can even have this in a deck and force it on somebody, but you can just present it like this. Then you're going to begin by folding the card in half. That way there's justification for why there's a crease down the middle. And when you do that last fold, you're just going to hold that flap of the card in just like this. Now from the front, it should still look completely normal to the viewer. Then all you do is tear off this extra flap of card right down the crease right here. Once you've torn that extra piece off, the card is now completely clean and gimmick free. Now you can do that with some cover from your hand to make it look like you're fusing the 2 pieces back together, or you can vanish the piece and have it reappear connected to the card. The possibilities are really endless with this, but the fact that it ends completely clean so you can then immediately hand the card out for examination to the audience is a wonderful finishing touch to the trick. And as always, make sure you get them involved with the trick by having them tear off the remaining part of the card. It's a really amazing card trick. I've had this one in my arsenal for years, and now I give it to you. Enjoy. All right, it is bonus trick time. Take a card, toss it up in the air. And catch the card on your mouth. This requires a little bit of practice. You're gonna toss the card up in the air with a spin motion right in front of your face, and then breathe in. And it's gonna suck the card right onto your face and stick it there in place. Just like that. Try it out at home. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it too. We make new how-to magic videos just like this every single week, so be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the subscribe button, then tap that notification bell so you see all of our videos. Head over to EvanEraTV.com. We have a bunch of really cool card tricks that you can't find anywhere else, and we now have the fan favorite, the Magic Electric decks are finally back in stock, so head over to EvanEraTV.com and get one today before they disappear again. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away 5 magic card tricks from EvanEraTV.com to 5 lucky comments in the comment section down below. All you have to do to win, hit the thumbs up button on the video, leave a comment down below, and be subscribed to EvanEra TV. And it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to check the description of this video for instructions on how to claim your prize. And thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Remember to hit that thumbs up. Let's see if we can get 5,000 likes on this video. I'll see you next week for another episode of How To Magic. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.